There are several milestones in this walkthrough that shows how I connect my Arduino UNO to DumbDisplay via Bluetooth using HC-06. Set up Arduino IDE and install the DumbDisplay Arduino library. Make connections from Arduino to HC-06. Write a simple sketch to configure HC-06. Bind HC-06 to Android phone. Finally, write another sketch that makes use of DumbDisplay for the well-known LED blink test. Installing Arduino IDE is easy. Visit the Arduino website, download the appropriate installer for the OS of your computer. In no time, you will have a copy of Arduino IDE for your Arduino development use. Go to Arduino website, click on the Software menu button. Select the appropriate OS of your computer, say Windows. You will then be greeted with the actual download page. Click on the Contribute and Download button, or the Just Download button to download the installer, then run the installer to install Arduino IDE to your computer. Next, I will show you how you can connect Arduino UNO with HC-06. Oh yes, before going on, I should show you how to install DumbDisplay Arduino library. First, visit the DumbDisplay Arduino library source repository in GitHub. Click the green button labeled Code. You should see the option to download the zip file of the source of DumbDisplay. Click Download Zip to download the zip file to your computer. Next, open your Arduino IDE to install DumbDisplay Arduino library to your computer. Locate the menu, Sketch. Include Library. Add Zip Library. Select that menu option. Locate the DumbDisplay Arduino library zip file you just downloaded. Choose it to install. That's it. You are now ready to use DumbDisplay Arduino library. Connecting Arduino with HC-06. First, connect 5V of Arduino UNO to VCC of HC-06. Connect GND of Arduino to GND of HC-06. Connect pin 2 to TXD. Finally, connect pin 3 to RXD. The Arduino sketch for sending AT commands to HC-06 to configure it is pretty straightforward. The first line of code tells that you will be using software serial. Then you declare that the variable HC-06 is a software serial object, with pin 2 being the receive pin, and pin 3 being the transmit pin. Note the receive pin of Arduino is connected to the transmit pin of HC-06, and the transmit pin of Arduino is connected to the receive pin of HC-06. Oh, of course, I don't need to go through the code line by line. In fact, you can click on the link below to download the sketch in its entirety. Now that you have the code ready, you can connect your Arduino UNO to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, you will need to do a few configurations with your Arduino IDE. First, you will need to select the development board. Choose Arduino UNO. Then you will need to select the port your Arduino UNO is connected to your computer. Usually, the IDE shows the port your Arduino is connected to. To upload the sketch to your Arduino, click the upload icon, then observe the bottom part of the IDE to see it finishes uploading. Now, you can open the Arduino IDE serial monitor by selecting the menu item, Tools, Serial Monitor. Make sure the serial monitor option, no line ending, is selected, and the baud rate is set to 9600. Enter AT at the input bar of the serial monitor. HC-06 should respond with OK. Then you can use the AT command, as shown, to configure HC-06 to use baud rate 115,200. Go back to the sketch, and change the baud variable to 115,200, then download the sketch again. Open Serial Monitor again, and select the matching baud rate of 115,200. Try entering AT again. You should be seeing that things are as expected. Yes, it is better to personalize your HC-06 a bit more. You can use the command AT plus name Arduino to set up a name for your HC-06, a Bluetooth device. And you can use the command AT plus pin 1234 to set up a security pin of this Bluetooth device. Try it yourself. Because you installed HC-06 to your Arduino UNO, your Arduino UNO is now a Bluetooth device. Next I will show you how you can bind your Arduino UNO as a Bluetooth device to your Android phone. To bind your Arduino UNO to your Android phone, first go to Settings. Then in the Search Settings box, simply type in Bluetooth. The option Bluetooth should show. Select the option. It will open up a page that you can pair Bluetooth device. Click on it, wait for it to show the Arduino available device, which is your Arduino UNO. Once the Arduino device shows, click on it to enter credential to connect to your Arduino UNO. I believe we are now ready to try out the well-known blink test using DumbDisplay via Bluetooth. In fact, the sketch to use is already included with the DumbDisplay Arduino library. You can simply open it using the Arduino IDE. Line 1 includes the header file of the Arduino DumbDisplay library for software serial. Line 3 declares and defines the DumbDisplay object, which connects HC-06 with the help of the software serial library. Line 4 declares the variable LED to be a pointer to a LED layer to be created later. Line 8 is the setup code that actually creates the LED layer with a single LED on it. Line 12 instructs the LED layer to toggle the on-off state of the LED on it. Line 13 makes the sketch to pause for a second. Since line 12 and line 13 are inside the loop, those two lines will be executed repeatedly. Assuming you have the free DumbDisplay Android app installed from the Google Play Store, you can simply open the DumbDisplay app and connect to your Arduino UNO through the Bluetooth binding you just made. Have fun with DumbDisplay. May God bless you.